My friend bigger than that?
Bigger.
Mr. I want to get bigger because I want me and him play Dandy Shandy.
Pronounce the Dolly house not to play when I tell him how you want.
You know, no. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So, we're here with the girl Rihanna, a master splinter. So, what what we will be doing today is a question and answer. Rihanna, so she gets some questions from our Instagram page from some persons. So we'll just ask me questions. So let's just jump right into it.
Question. Who is more abusive in the relationship?
Junior.
Abusive?
Yes.
Where is it? When you say abuse, what do you mean?
Play leak.
Junior.
Oh, you mean who like fire lick? Can man.
Junior.
You want a tiebreaker, you know, because you're there quite a while, you know. Who love fire lick?
Yeah.
Alright,
abusive,
good.
yeah.
Alright guys, just choose me.
You have to be the tiebreaker, you know, like
Yeah, abusive for true, Ken. How did you guys meet?
Well, oh, that's what was the answer question. You answer first.
We met on Facebook.
Yeah, I meet on Facebook.
Yeah, we met on Facebook. It's a long time, man. Long time that you know, Virgin.
18 years ago.
Yeah, right.
And then from where I young money and now we're old.
What's your favorite time of the day?
Night.
Day. Daytime.
I love nighttime. Nighttime is just so quiet and peaceful and you know, really hear nobody.
Night daytime. Because when night comes, you want to sleep.
Cool and nice. Yeah, that's why it's nice.
No, you don't get to enjoy it.
You can rest. In a day just hot and congested and day.
What food reminds you of each other?
Food.
Yeah. Like when you eat it, you say, no, say this one I think of Junior.
What?
That's a weird question. But
I don't think of any food and remember my wife. I'm very sorry about. Next question, please. I don't.
How long have you guys been together?
You want something to put out the road there so for them bike person and my lad.
so every time I pass the yard, just silent.
No, man, I'm afraid to ride on the road, my youth. Something, one invisible police man, sleeping policeman or something, man.
Guys, you say I'm wicked? You want to harm the people them because if them go over one invisible sleeping policeman, them now go invisible flag over I can't you know. Them not gonna actually go over there. So I'm evil. Me would have want something when them almost reach our part there, so it's silent them bike. And when them pass on the bike, you make nice. Even want to fling off the people them with crocodile and them.
Well, I guess go back to the first question and be more violent. Where's the Riri?
How long have you guys been together?
About 11 or 12 years. Come next year, April.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your best memory of each other?
Best memory of each other.
Right.
What's your best memory of me, sir?
Like,
My best memory of her was when we get married, yeah.
no, it's not a full production.
So now me have to go one up him though.
Exactly.
I don't have a best memory of him. Cause all the time we spend together, everything is just precious. So all the memories that I have of him together.
Precious, who names up?
You know something else. Sure.
What do you like to do for fun?
What you like to do for fun?
Me, at this time of my life, would I say, Play FIFA. That's my thing that.
My favorite thing to do is singing, making bouquets, annoying Junior.
Noted. Why did you decide to start a YouTube channel?
To share moments like these with you guys.
Stop it. Get some help.
What did you decide? Because it looked like you want me to ask you the question directly.
No, I never said that. I basically just open my door to the viewers.
Okay.
Don't know why she always want me do it.
My door, the door closed, so you want to let them in, say, oh, me door. If then they don't want me
Oh,
door,
the
I'm walking
the
in.
virtual door.
Yeah. Yeah.
Remember say
Like,
you
look. Alright. You know what I go do? Guys, I go editing. Anytime I start my video, I go edit the doorway at home. I'm just walk through it.
Per.
Okay.
Good.
What did you dream about last night?
Well, what I dream about last night? I dream that somebody give me something to eat and I wake up. What I dream about that?
I love your belly.
Monkey. And my belly. Who feel love it for me?
I remember dreaming nothing. Yo, I don't think my dream will leave, you know. Come like my spirit don't really wonder about the place too much.
Oh, you're so tired you go sleep.
You just jump and sleep. Sometimes, me I sleep, I me sleep, me I say, yo, oh, me not dream. Like, really? I really dream only. I really have a lot of dreams.
That's just this baby dog. That's just this baby dog. You look at me like I first I hear this song. Every day, guys, him sing this song of a mistake. Every time him see the dog, he just a walk and just randomly, that's just my baby dog. And he might dance to the dog. I will catch him one of them there, I'm not gonna see him. Next question.
I have some random moments like that from here and there. Like, really, that's like.
The Kiana one?
Like, out of the blue, when we never thought nothing like we asked for first kiss and then she like, just start. Go, we are off topic.
Do you like hugging or kissing more?
Kissing.
Kissing.
I'm not really a kisser, but I like kissing him.
Better.
What is your favorite food?
Aha!
Wait, you want me answer for your favorite food
No.
or him answer my
Answer your favorite food.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
Oh, Tana.
Chicken and chips. French fried chicken and fries.
You know, say, to be honest, my thing say my favorite food. A red pea soup.
Red pea soup.
Yeah, man.
Stew bees.
Yeah, but.
That is the two of them are the same, you know, one
Yeah.
is just a bit thicker. The two of them are
Yeah.
the same, unless you know one of them.
And what is your favorite drink? Not soda, like alcohol.
I would say for me, it
Why
would
me not a
be-
favorite?
It would be Red Stripe. Red Stripes, if you watch this in the sense of liquor come. Because I'm carrying and showing them amount of buckle and crepe me around this. One of the things more right there. And I have one in the hand.
I don't really have no favorite. From, if you have me alcohol, give me drink it. Not rubbing alcohol.
Make them know.
Make it be known. Next time I go see a bottle of green alcohol out of my yard gate.
You want to take it?
You say you want alcohol, brother?
Alcohol nights in the corona time.
Liqueur.
Liquor? Liquor? Who name care?
Rum.
When did you know that he or she was the one?
The first time we had sex.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. The thing turn up. Hey!
Whenever your answer still.
My thing more deep than that today. Remember me that telling my previous video say, yo, me realize say, yo, she real. When me
You know what year is that? After?
But me I tell you, that's your thing and your thing, my thing and my thing. You can't mix up your thing with my thing.
My girl, I must have people about 3 years after that, you know?
It don't matter. No matter.
If me didn't ever know my code.
Go where?
Yeah, exactly. My code, go away. No. We're not want you.
Quick funny guns. Alright.
No, sir. Can't believe it.
Where is your favorite place to eat?
At home.
Food.
You never said what is it? She never said what is it? She said where is?
You make it clear, so what you talking?
Oh.
Where is your favorite place to eat? I'm
Food.
making it clear what you're talking.
Okay.
Food.
At home. Okay, that's why you can go for you get first, you can go for second, you can go for third and
Me,
additional class.
Me know my favorite place to eat.
Where?
Food.
Where?
Grand Bay. I can't done. I'm about any all-inclusive resort. Favorite place that eat food. I can't done.
Achoo. You play that man?
Here, the next one again. You see me tell her, say, yo, then just. This where we there is a very important airspace. Plane fly past us up frequently. So more time when you see me do some video like this, out of stuff, in that area over there now, you have occasionally airplanes that fly past. I mean nah chop it out.
Guys, my plan is to put out some bus stop on the roof. So anybody who want go from Portmore and my travel, then will stand up and them get them time stand up and them move a bus stop and fund in the plane. And it's flying so low, they must supposed to be fling out something from no?
So I tell you, off topic. Random.
Oh wait, off topic!
Ready again in a review.
What's your favorite song?
One button. The vibes cartel.
Answer for yourself.
I'm myself my answer for you.
Answer yourself. Let
My-
me answer.
My favorite song? I don't have a favorite song, I'm sorry.
Yeah, my favorite song is by Mr. DJ Palmer. A song called. It's a very long time song. Black Cartel days. Named Senan. Sen.
When the plan the other song in our name. So we go walk go down the aisle and play sen and I go and I have to tell him no, that couldn't go on.
Yeah, my favorite.
I just remember
Song.
it was my idea. But we never end up bother do it.
Favorite
I don't
song.
have a favorite song. I love music. I love music so much that pre-music different. Pre-music on a deeper level. So if I pick a song, I have a favorite.
The Cartel just give me a vibe.
Carter.
When me listen to that song then.
Yeah.
Just give me a vibe, you know?
Carter.
Yeah.
Next question. Who is your favorite sibling?
Who's my favorite sibling?
Sibling, yeah.
Look, that question is rough fishy because our sibling the right that's how to ask the questions for.
Okay guys, I want you to answer. What I want you to answer.
Answer to the viewers.
Do you want you to answer? The viewers. You want to hear the answer? My favorite sibling is. I don't have one. I love them all equally. Poor Ali. I don't have a favorite sibling. I love them all equally. Because guess what? Come here, come here, them, let me grow them. So I love them.
Name me up. Oh, how much of them you have? One.
Five.
Let's see, Andre.
Four of them.
Yeah, Johnny, Joel. Four. What we know about? Right? Four.
What do you know about?
Yeah, father, bad boy, you know? Bad boy, Lee, you know? Anyway, still. I don't think I have a favorite, like, I don't know, brother and sister. No,
Follow me.
no, do all of them equal. The
Follow
same
me.
son. No, you have a favorite still.
Next question. What wrong with you? Next
I'm
question.
sorry.
Girl, sit down at the pan.
I'm sorry.
I don't know why she...
What is... Alright, want to know.
No.
Don't?
What is your favorite book? Like a book you read before and it's your favorite.
Every time I remember about a book when I read, what I love is I am a boy, I am a girl, I am Sam, I am little, I am big. Don't remember the name of the book, but every time I think of a book, I remember that book.
I'm not really a reader like that still, you know? I can read, but I don't really enjoy reading novels or books. You know, so I don't really... Maybe I'll pick one and I say, it's not a dumpling then.
I'm like read, I'm like, any type of book I have to do with like essays like human and social biology and stuff like that. I like them type of book because you know I'm mega man.
Do you like high school or primary school better?
Primary for me, right, true. Couldn't bother with high school. High school too hard, brother.
I don't remember.
Right, true. Primary school, the rank till you week. Every game where exists, you play it at a primary school. High school is not too difficult.
Primary is not really difficult, you know, it's just people are trying to find themselves in the high school. Everybody are trying to discover who they need.
You have to things you grow up. Grow up nice, you know?
Yeah man, your body go through all type of different emotions and feelings and things. So it's like, you know.
Grow up not nice, Virgin, when you're picnic, nice.
You're carefree, because you don't have nothing to worry about, you run up and down.
Picnics? Don't hurry up and want to grow up.
Not
Stay
tell them,
young.
I want to get bigger, come on.
Why you
Stay
forget
young.
about?
I say I want to get bigger, bigger.
My friend bigger than that?
Bigger.
Bigger
I
picture.
say I want to get bigger, because I want me and him play Dandy Shandy.
Pronounce the Daddy house not gonna play when I tell him you want.
You know, no, Dandy.
Bigger.
Pronounce the word correctly here, sir.
Bigger.
We want to get bigger.
Bigger.
Not bigger.
Bigger. I'm a friend. No way I do it, mama.
Sorry.
Bigger.
Where would you always want to travel to?
Me. One. I don't want to travel going on. But I want to carry Junior go somewhere.
Okay.
I want to carry him go. Sorry, I sound like an idiot though. I want to travel the world. I want to know damn channel them adventures. I can't say I don't want to travel cut away.
She catch up good man, come here and wonder what the hell is she on about? You want to travel going away, but you want to live the adventures.
What's the adventures?
What's the adventure from the front yard to back yard?
I want to carry Junior go meet Messi. So I want to go. Yeah, that place where Messi live.
You move from this and now still.
He move and gone so much money gone. So many years have access.
Go to France.
See, so I want to go to France.
I'm going to France. Peace out, resistance.
What?
You know French?
One bonus question, guys.
Wait, guys, do not look a joke as a matter about France. One time my man just start talk. I have my phone on the bed. And for some reason, digital text me. Right? They never text me nothing personal or nothing pertaining to me. It was just a broadcast I'm sending out. And this man, I don't know where I'm sick. I'm thinking so a man name on the phone or whatever the case may be.
Fresh
so I say,
in our relationship, we have, you know.
Who text you? Who text you? So I say, who text me? I say, yeah, well, somebody just text you and name come up on your phone. So I take the phone and look and I say, did you say text me? So I start moving like I'm afraid. I say, who text you? I say, I have something to tell you. He must say, what? I say, my boyfriend named the Jaisel. My boy say, who? And my boyfriend named the Jaisel. The Jaisel, a Pacabula. It's French. I say, well, I say, once that pop up because I realized I can ask. I show him before, I show him that Digital text me. Him. So you matter about France and you want him talk British and tell about water. But I mean, we start that right now. So guys, one with the bonus question.
How often do you guys have sex?
Lord God, we're married.
Channel? Every day.
Round the clock.
Yeah.
On the dot.
No.
Every day.
No. That's a lie.
Guys, we are married. We have been together for almost 12 years. So do the math.
Brother,
We have to make the things
Sister.
feel fresh and
you're telling the truth. It's not that frequent these last days.
it's hard. So I have these last days.
No, the last days, man. Cause I tell you, more time, yo, she have a long day, me have a long day. And, yo, more time, you plan feed from day now. So when you reach, people can, you know, in a relationship like this, can relate. When you reach home and you not talk over the phone and, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
When you reach home, sleep, you take feed, brother. Me, I tell you
Your
that.
man, you say, so you say, you go be there, you go lie down in my bed and say, alright. When you open your eye, man.
Yeah, man. So, you don't know anything goes still, but the happiness still there, you know what I'm saying? Don't know. What is that?
And the happiness smile.
So yeah, guys, that was just a few questions brought to you by Riri. Don't know, to us, to you, to learn a little bit about us, you know? So, you don't know, big up on yourself, as per usual, and
Thank you for watching. And remember, guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And guys, please remember to click the notification bell so you get a notification anytime a new video is uploaded. So guys, remember, go over to my Instagram and check out my business page at K_booking. So anybody who don't know I get married, I want them
will be in the
them.
description
They make-
below.
They make them link me, yeah. So see you again soon. Big up on yourself, guys.
You see it? Stay safe.
Oh, sorry. Say it again.
Bye.